Welcome to VS Code for Everyone, Episode 1. By the end, you'll open projects, edit real files, and save like a pro. This is VS Code, free at code.visualstudio.com. Over 73% of developers use it. You'll drive it in 2 minutes. First, know what you're running. It's not Visual Studio. Different tool entirely. VS Code's a free, open-source code editor. The source lives on GitHub under an MIT license. Microsoft ships updates monthly at no cost. Visual Studio is a separate heavyweight IDE. Free doesn't mean free for now. It's free, period. 3 reasons it won the editor wars. You'll feel them today. It's free. It's fast, opens in seconds, stays snappy. And it's endlessly extensible. Git, a debugger, and language smarts ship built in. Extensions add anything else later. It even runs in your browser at vscode.dev. Quick geography. You'll need 5 names for everything we do next. That thin icon strip on the left. The activity bar. It opens the sidebar next to it. The big center space is the editor. The bottom strip is the status bar. A panel for terminals hides below the editor. The status bar always tells you where you are. Check it now. Look at the bottom edge. Even with nothing open, it shows your Git branch on the left and error counts. Open any file, and it adds the line number, column, and language mode, updating as you move. The status bar never lies. Look at the left side. Your project is already open in the Explorer. Let's read that panel properly. The sidebar is showing the Explorer, your project's file tree. See the folder name at the top. That folder is your workspace. The Explorer icon sits at the top of the activity bar too. And from anywhere in VS Code, Control-Shift-E jumps you straight back to your files. Here's the pro habit. Always open a folder, never lose files. Opening a folder makes it your workspace. Search, Git, and extensions, then treat your project as one unit. A lone file gives you none of that. Use the File menu, Open Folder, or Control-K, Control-O. We've already opened this demo folder. Pros hide the sidebar while writing code. Hold Control and tap B. Gone. The sidebar collapsed. Your editor now has full-width writing room. That's the pro rhythm. Navigation when you need it. Space when you don't. Same key flips it both ways. Press Control-B again, watch it return. The Explorer's back. Now you try, tap it twice, feel the flow. Hide to focus, open to navigate. That toggle becomes muscle memory fast. Most people click through menus for this. You won't. Pros don't click through file trees. Press a Control-P and type a name. That's quick open. Type 3 letters of any file name, press Enter, you're there. Fastest way to move around any project. The file main, Pi just opened in the editor. Quick warning about a spooky VS Code behavior, vanishing tabs. Single-click a file in the Explorer, and its tab title turns italic. That's preview mode, a temporary, reusable tab. Your next single click replaces it. Nothing vanished, it worked as designed. Double-click a file when you want it pinned open. One more trick. Press Control-P and just look for a second. See the drop-down listing your files by recent use. Try this now, type 2 letters, watch the list filter live. Fuzzy matching finds files from partial names. That picker closes with 1 key. Press Escape to back out. You're back in the editor, nothing changed. That works everywhere in VS Code. Any menu, picker, or pop-up backs off when you hit that key. No mouse required. Time to change a real file. Watch the tab while you type. 2 things happened. Your text landed in the file, and the tab's X became a filled dot, unsaved changes. That edit lives only in memory right now. The disk copy hasn't changed. Bonus fact, editing any preview tab pins it permanently. Typing is not saving. Press Control-S right now. Watch the tab, the dot flipped back to an X. Dot means unsaved, X means saved. That's your truth check before closing any tab. Build this save reflex on day 1. Hate remembering to save. VS Code ships with auto-save built in. Open the File menu later and click Auto Save. Turn it on and VS Code saves 1 second after you stop. It's off by default, so the choice stays yours. Forgetting Ctrl+S then becomes impossible. One last skill, new files. The Explorer handles that without any dialogues. Hover the Explorer's title row and a new file icon appears. Click it, type a name with an extension like Notes, MD, press Enter. The extension tells VS Code which language you're writing. The status bar shows the language it picked. You can now explain VS Code. It's a free, open source editor. It's fast, extensible, and updates monthly. You opened the Explorer, found a file, edited it, and saved. Pause here and try this. Create notes, MD using the new file icon. Type 1 line, then save it with Ctrl+S. Quick check question 1. Which shortcut opens any file by name? Ctrl+P, quick open. Question 2. The tab shows a filled dot. What does it mean? Unsaved changes. The disk copy updates only when you save. Next up, Episode 2, Navigating the Interface. Follow so you don't miss it.